Installing an APK file on your Android device is a simple process, but you should always be careful when installing apps from outside the Google Play Store. APK files allow you to manually install applications that may not be available in your region or newer versions that have not yet reached the Play Store. Follow the steps below to safely install an APK on your Android phone, especially if you are using a Samsung device. The first step is to disable Auto Blocker. Open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. Tap on it, then locate Auto Blocker and switch it off. This temporarily allows your device to install apps from external sources. Keep in mind that this setting should only be disabled when you are ready to install a trusted APK file. Next, you need to grant permission to install apps from unknown sources. While still in the Security and Privacy menu, tap More Security Settings or More Security Features, depending on your device model. Select Install Unknown Apps, then choose the app you will use to open the APK file, such as Google Chrome if you downloaded the file from the internet, or My Files if the APK is stored on your phone. Turn the permission on for that specific app. Now you're ready to install the APK. Open the My Files app and navigate to the Downloads folder or the location where the APK file is saved. Tap the APK file, review the installation prompt and select Install. Wait a few moments while Android installs the application. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app or Done to exit the installer. For your security, it is highly recommended to restore your device's protection after the installation is finished. Return to Settings. Security and Privacy, turn Auto Blocker back on and disable the Install Unknown Apps permission for the app you used. This helps protect your device from accidental or malicious app installations in the future. By following these steps carefully and downloading APK files only from trusted sources, you can safely install Android applications while keeping your device secure and protected.